Electric, we are electric, we are electric, we are electric. 1, 2, 3, 3. Let's go.
Good afternoon. Today we're going to discuss about the truncated cylinder. Or also known as the cylindrical segment. From the definition, this is a solid formed by passing a non-parallel plane through a circular cylinder. So if this is your upright cylinder, assuming this is an upright cylinder, and if you cut this section, say this one, you form an upright truncated cylinder wherein you have two heights. The shorter one, let's say this is H1, and the longer one is H sub 1 rather, and the shorter one is H sub 2. And you have B, wherein B is the area of the base, which is circle. To find the volume of the upright truncated cylinder, wherein V is equal to area of the base times height, wherein area of the base is circle, so this is pi r square times the height. Since you have two given heights, the shorter one and the longer one, add the two heights and get their average. So this is H sub 1 plus H sub 2 all over 2. This is now the formula of upright truncated cylinder. There are some cases that the cylinder is not in an upright position, like this. As you can see, the height is now in an inclined position. So there is an angle formed from the base. And if you cut the section, they're also having a two heights again. The longer one and the shorter one. This is H1. This is H2. And this one, this is the area of the right section, which is K. In order to find the area of the right section, which is K, get the K by using this B sine theta, wherein B is the area of the base of the cylinder, wherein B is equivalent to pi r squared sine theta. This is now your K. Having the K and the measures of shorter and longer height, substitute this in the formula of V is equal to K times the average height. This is only applicable for inclined, truncated cylinder. Let's give an example. In an upright truncated cylinder, the shorter and longer height is given by 2 inches and 3 inches respectively, and the radius of 6 inches. Find the volume of truncated cylinder. So, it says, in an upright truncated cylinder, the given heights is 2 inches and 3 inches, and the radius of 6 inches. It says we have to find the volume of truncated cylinder, wherein the heights and the radius are given. So we can do the direct substitution from the formula of V is equal to pi r squared multiplied by the average height. It doesn't matter if this is your H1 or H2 or vice versa. They're just the same. So, substitute the values. Pi 6 squared multiplied by 3 plus 2 all over 2. Wherein this is pi 36 multiplied by, so this is 5 all over 2, so this is 2.5. By pressing the calculator, this is 95, or approximately 282.74 inches cubed. Number 2. A 30-degree inclined cylinder was cut into section. 16 feet and 41 inches are the heights and the diameter of 10 feet. Find the volume. So, as you can see, the height was given in feet and inches. So, let's draw first the diagram. It says this is the inclined truncated cylinder. Let's say this is the section. It says the longer height is 16 feet, or the slant height, and the shorter slant height of 21 inches, or approximately this is 1.75 feet, wherein 1 feet is equivalent to 12 inches, and the diameter of 10 feet. So the requirement is the volume. So we have now the measurements. Let's substitute this to the given formula. But first, we have to find the K, which is the area of right section. So K is equal to B sine theta, wherein B is equivalent to pi r, so this is 5 squared sine 30 degrees, wherein this is equivalent to 39.27 square feet. So we have now the K, and let's substitute this the formula. So V is equal to K times h1 plus h2 all over 2. And now let's substitute. So 39.27 times h1 plus h2, this is 17.75 all over 2. So now, the volume will be 348.52 cubic feet.
Da